Hey everyone, I'm Mike with Timbren Industries, and today we're installing this SES kit on the rear of a Chevy 2500 HD. This upgrade is designed to eliminate squat, increase stability, and maintain better ride quality while under load. By the end of this video, you're gonna have a pretty good understanding of how ridiculously easy it is to install this SES kit on your truck. In fact, the only tool you need is this screwdriver. For overall easier access, we've raised the rear of our truck. Using your flathead screwdriver, pry the two OEM bump stops from their bump stop cups. Next, moisten the part that is fastened to the top of the rubber spring before working it into the bump stop cup by pushing and twisting simultaneously. Once both rubber spring assemblies are seated properly in each bump stop cup, place a temporary spacer, like a piece of 2x4, between the rubber spring and the axle. Then lower the vehicle until each rubber spring assembly securely pops into the cup. You can now remove the temporary spacer. Measure the gap between the rubber spring and the axle, ensuring there's between a 1/2 and 1.5 inch space. Whether you tow a trailer or haul heavy cargo in the bed of your pickup truck, this easy to install Timbren SES upgrade will keep your Chevy 2500 HD level and stable while maintaining better ride quality under load. And there you have it, your SES kit is now installed. Remember, Timbren SES kits are backed by a 100-day money-back guarantee and a no BS lifetime warranty. For more information on SES kits, visit Timbren.com. I'll see you next time.